Chris, do you think there's my... Chris, you copy?
It's busy.
Is it? I wonder what's calling behind us. There's a hyena coming here that Tim spotted. Down there. Chris, channel 8. Where, Baba, you copy?